Hey everyone, today I'm telling you how to make dry face wash powder at home. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons each of coffee powder, neem powder, multani mitti, rose petal powder, turmeric powder, gram flour, sandalwood powder. Mix all the ingredients well and your face wash powder is ready. Sandalwood powder is effective in fighting with free radical presence in the environment, remove scars, reduce redness and treat open pores, reduce tanning, even out the skin tone. It also scrub away the dead skin cells. Neem powder pacify irritated skin, tackle blackheads and whitehead, reveals itchy scalp. Turmeric powder add natural glow to your skin. Multani mitti is gently cleansing your skin. If you like this video, so please hit the like button, comment below which type of video do you want more. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.